ikaw meron kang puso, meron kang pangarap, pero bakit pa minsan parang ikaw ay stuck? Napakasakit nun, di ba? Yung pakiramdam na parang may tinatayo ka, you wanna build something, pero deep inside parang may kulang. Lahat tayo may ambisyon, tama? Lahat tayo gustong magtagumpay, pero sino ba talaga ang CEO ng buhay mo ngayon? Kung tatanungin mo ang sarili mo, ikaw ba ang nasusunod o yung takot mo? O yung ingay ng mundo or validation ng ibang tao? Kasi maraming builders ang may galing. Merong friction between what you're doing and what you're meant to do. Kasi akala natin, sipag lamang ang sagot. Basta push lang! Pero ang totoo, hindi sapat yan. Kung hindi ikaw ang CEO ng sarili mong buhay, walang malinaw na vision, strategy, at ruthless execution based on your truth, then you're just an employee in someone else's empire. As hurtful as it may sound, worst, employee ka ng insecurities mo. Hindi yung buong-buo. You don't feel whole, you don't feel full. Para kang naghahabol lamang ng kita, ng fame, ng validation, pero hindi ng purpose at ng freedom na totoo. Let me share to you a good news today. Posible that you can be a CEO of your own life. Imagine this. Imaginein mo kung sa buhay mo, ikaw ang CEO. Ibig sabihin, ikaw ang may-ari ng mga desisyon. Ikaw ang nagtatakda ng mga direksyon. Ikaw ang nagdidikta ng kultura, ng isip, puso, kilos, at espiritu. This is becoming and being the CEO of your life, which means you don't just build the business. You build a kingdom-centered life, which means it has the capacity to produce wealth, but also freedom. May pera at kalayaan. Kasi yan ay tinatawag na personal sovereignty. It's being able to live your calling, fully expressed, walang preno, in full authenticity, walang reservation. Ang bawat takbang na ginagawa mo may alignment. Ang bawat kita may purpose. It's being abundant because that is your birthright. It's being free because it comes from living in your truth, not chasing comfort or validation of other people. Let me share with you a strategic blueprint na pwede mong iuwi ngayon. Paano ka magiging CEO ng buhay mo? Alam ko naman, hindi ito simple. Pero I wanna give you clarity. Hindi ito manifesting lamang or meditation. Ito ay strategic action anchored in divine assignment. Or some other people will call it calling. It will require the following. Number 1, kingdom clarity. Hindi sapat na gusto mo lamang ang isang bagay. Kailangan meron kang divine assignment. Meron kang pakikipag-usap at relasyon sa taas. Anong calling mo? Not just your dream, but what's appointed for you. Get this clear, everything falls into place. This is your starting roadmap, kaya kailangan ng alignment with someone above. Number 2, purpose-driven strategy. Bawat sistema, proseso, desisyon mo, nakasentro dapat yan sa purpose. Dito nagmumula ang financial abundance, authentic value creation with who you are and what you're poured with. Number 3, essence-led execution. Hindi lamang hustle culture. Operating from your core, your truest selves, hindi pagpapanggap. You move with power from your essence, not just from your ego. And number 4, faith and freedom principles. Alam mo, true rich and free is rooted in faith. Faith in your calling, faith in the process, and in God who gave you the power to create. Yan dapat ang pundasyon mo. Kaya tanong ko sa'yo, with all of these 4, ready ka na ba maging CEO talaga ng buhay mo? Kasi sa totoo lang, if you wanna live a really wonderful life, hindi ito option lamang. This is a responsibility that you must take in. Sa sarili mo, sa pamilya mo, at sa mundo na naghihintay sa gifts that you have. Enough with being an employee of circumstances, nor of other validation. Enough that your fear dictates your path. Enough is enough. This is your moment to step into your full authority. to build the life you're called to build, which is rich, free, and purposeful. Are you ready to take the helm of your life? If yes, congratulations. Ito, sidebar. Kung hindi ka pa nakakasama sa Builders Bureau na Facebook group, join the group today. Kasi everyday, nag-uusap-usap at nagkikwentuhan tayo.